My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we have a look of Theta network. Friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction, the price change occur in Theta network, what's the currently price, and what is the high price of Theta network in the last 1 hour, in the last 1 day. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Please subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Theta network of the last 1 day. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction per last 1 day price change occur in a Theta network. So friends, if we talk about the average change occur in a Theta network is about negative 0.7976% change occur in Theta coin in the last 1 day, and the high price of Theta network is about $13.14 is the high price of Theta coin in the last 1 hour. That's the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Theta network. So friends, the chart tells us, as you can see here, the previous last 1 day continues in the start of the last 1 day. They start falling down, but as you can see here, it is a good news for all Theta holders. You can see here they start jumping upward at this time. So it's explosion time of Theta network starts now, so don't worry about the falling of Theta network. Soon the changes are in positive. Wait for it. Approximately 2 hour, after 2 hours the changes are positive. So that is last 1 day price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the change goes and the Theta network in the last 1 hour, friends. As I show you in the start of this video, that now currently at this time Theta network start jumping upward. As you can see here, the chart tells us that now at this time the Theta network is in explosion mode. That is the live last 1 hour price prediction. It is currently a change occur in Theta network live you are watching now, friends. If we look, the average change occur in Theta coin as about negative 0.02%. As you can see here, soon they are positive, and the high price of Theta network is about $12.79 is the high price of Theta network, which is the current price of Theta network. As you can see here, current price is a high price of Theta network 12.79, and this is the high price of Theta network at this time. So friends, as you know, Theta network as a start explosion, so it is clear, it is very easy for everyone to decide that it's a buying time, selling time, or hold time. So my suggestion for all of you, I'm also holder of Theta network. I'm also hold my Theta with the end of this month. That's my plan, and my plan for all of Theta coin holders, that please hold your Theta coin with the last of this month, because it now start explosion. So wait for their big explosion, and after that sell it when they start a high explosion. So after that you can sell it. My plan to sell it until last of this month, 27-28 April. I will sell it, my Theta coin. What's your opinion about Theta coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.